Once upon a time in a bustling desert city, there lived a curious boy named Zane. Known for his adventurous spirit and generous heart, Zane spent his days exploring the lively streets and hidden corners of his hometown. One bright afternoon, Zane discovered a small, dusty shop tucked away in an alley he had never noticed before. Curiosity getting the best of him, he stepped inside. The shop was filled with strange, magical items, glowing lanterns, enchanted rugs, and jars filled with shimmering sands. Among the treasures, a small, ornate mirror caught his eye. Its frame was carved with intricate designs and tiny gems that sparkled in the dim light. "Ah, you found something special," whispered the shopkeeper, an old man with twinkling eyes. "This mirror holds secrets beyond what you can imagine." Intrigued, Zane asked, "What kind of secrets?" The old man smiled mysteriously. "Look into it when the moon is high, and you shall see." That night, Zane placed the mirror by his window as the full moon bathed his room in silver light. Gazing into the mirror, he didn't see his reflection. Instead, he saw a strange world where everything was upside down. The sky was green, trees were blue, and birds swam in rivers. Suddenly, a tiny figure appeared in the mirror. It was a playful sprite named Luma. "Hello, Zane," she giggled. "Welcome to the flipped world. Would you like to visit?" Excited by the adventure, Zane nodded eagerly. "Yes, I would." With a swirl of colors, Zane found himself in the flipped world. He floated weightlessly, laughing in amazement. The rivers were made of chocolate, and houses sat on clouds. But as fun as it was, something felt strange. The people seemed confused and unhappy because nothing made sense. "Why is everyone so upset?" Zane asked Luma. She sighed. "Our world has been like this ever since the great mix-up. We need someone brave and kind to set things right." Determined to help, Zane set off to solve the mystery. He met a wise old owl who told him, to restore balance, you must find the piece of order hidden in the cavern of echoes. Braving the unknown, Zane journeyed to the cavern. Along the way, he helped a lost fish find its school and shared his lunch with a hungry giant rabbit. His kindness warmed the hearts of the creatures he met. Inside the cavern of echoes, Zane faced difficult riddles and puzzles. He stayed calm and thought through each challenge carefully. Finally, he found the glowing piece of order sitting on a pedestal. As he held the piece, Luma appeared with a wide smile. "You've done it, Zane," she exclaimed. "Now, place it in the sky where it belongs." Zane floated up and fitted the piece into the sky like a missing star. Instantly, the world began to shift back to normal. Colors returned to their rightful places, and everything turned right side up. The people cheered, joy returning to their faces. "Thank you, Zane," they called out. "You're our hero." Though he was happy, Zane realized he missed home. He turned to Luma and said, "I think it's time for me to go back." She nodded. "Close your eyes and remember your world." When Zane opened his eyes, he was back in his room, the mirror reflecting his astonished face. The moonlight had faded, but the memory of his adventure stayed bright in his heart. From that day on, Zane understood that while exploring new worlds was exciting, helping others and being brave were the greatest adventures of all.